Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys when should you start trading in the stock market. Now when you want to start trading in the stock market, it all depends upon you on when you want to start trading. Most of the traders out there, most of the people out there, they say that first of all I want to gain knowledge and then I would want to start trading in the stock market. That's what I did. I first of all gain knowledge, I do my research about the stock market, and then after that while doing my research I've learned many new things, many new strategies, used know how to use different tools at different times, know how to use a certain strategy at the right time, and after that I jumped into the market and started trading the different stocks. And with the passage of time, I've also learned many new things while trading stocks. And after that, and with that, I've gained much more experience. Now I'm able to trade stocks effectively without using too much indicators. I only use a few indicators, and by using those, I recognize my entry and exit points. So when you want to start trading in the stock market, it all depends upon you. When you feel ready, then it is a great time to start trading in the stock market. While when like I- like I'm saying right now, some traders are usually not in doubt of why they want to start trading and how they would trade stocks effectively. While they are also they are facing fear that they would lose money in the stock market. Yes, that's true. You would lose money, not that much. I'm not going to scare you. This video is not to scare you something, but I'm sure I'm telling you the fact that I would face. I also lost money, but I haven't sold my shares in losses. I've only sell my shares in profits. I don't sell them in loss. So that is the point. You won't lose that much money in the stock market. If you do lose some of your money, then that's a part of your learning. That's a part of when you gaining experience, gaining knowledge. When you lose money, you would realize how hard it is to earn more money than then you will realize how hard it is to earn money. So after that, then you will be able to become an effective trader, or the best trader that the stock market, and not the best trader but an effective trader. You will know when to make a certain decision make the right decision at the right time. So those are most important things for before you start trading in the stock market. Now the stock market is not like when you start trading and then it didn't show you any profits and then you step out. It's Do not start on that assumption, on that intention. Do not start trading in the stock market on that intention that if it won't make you profit, then you'd step out of the stock market. It's not like that. It doesn't work like that. Be in the market as much as possible, and because if you're in the market, you will learn new things, new strategies, you will gain experience, and with that experience it will help you it will help you trade more stocks effectively while you're in the stock market. So you'll recognize different stocks while trading in the stock market, because the stock market requires experience, and when you don't have that much experience, then you will definitely step out of the market. When you are trading in the stock market, or when you are going to start trading in the stock market, start off by learning new things, because learning is the part to trading in the stock market. When you can't learn something, uh, do not start trading in the stock market. What I would suggest is you shouldn't start trading in the stock market if you can't learn something, or you can't learn or apply different strategies at different times. So so learning and applying different strategies at different times is the key to is the key to is the key to trading stocks effectively. Because so trading when should you start trading in the stock market? You should ask that question from yourself when you're ready. It is all about when you're ready It's all about when you're ready trading stocks at different times. So start off by learning new things, doing your research, and after that hopefully you will be able to become an effective trader for trading stocks. So it all depends upon that, on your experience, on your knowledge, on your intention of how you want to trade different stocks at different times. So try to be in the market as much as possible, and trade as many stocks as possible, because trading stocks would help you, will make you a better trader, and it will make you an effective trader as well. So try to trade as much stocks as possible. With those stocks, with those knowledge, you will be able to make great fortunes out of the stock market. And not like when you and not and then after that you be able to praise yourself that you are trading stocks to you started trading in the stock market. It's let me say that here, the stock market is a long term game. It's not a short term. Maybe it's a short term, but for up to 3 4 or 6 months. So it's a short term game as well, but up till that much time. So for for the for the long term process, it's a year, 2 or 3. It's a it is a time it is a process that requires more time and more knowledge, and it will and for that reason it will give you much more fortunes out of the you will make much more fortune out of the stock market. So try to be in the market as much possible and learn new things, different strategies, or maybe go to if you can't learn something from the internet, so go and learn something from seminars or conferences, or take courses that will help you advance your trading skills, advance your trading. And the most important of all these is that control your emotions. Do not be freak out. Do not fear yourself that you will lose your money in the stock market. You will lose your money, but that is a part of your trading career. That is a part of your learning. So do not be fear out. Try to control your emotion as much as possible, and help yourself out while trading stocks. So trading stocks is all about learning new things, gaining experience, and applying those experience, and watching. And the most enjoying part, or a satisfying part, is that when you see your stocks grow in value. So that is the most satisfying part in the stock market. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.